Good morning, everyone. My name is Vaibhav Saxena. Today, I am going to tell you my experience, interview experience. So, yesterday, uh, without wasting time, now I'm starting. Yesterday, I went to a company that is called Startup Company. It is a startup is a BPO, and there are lots of hiring going on. So yesterday I went there for interview. So in the interview, when I was giving the interview that time, HR asked me a very interesting question. That is that is the that question was that, and if I have to live in India and in another city, so which city I would be choose? So I would be choose, and why would you choose this city? So I have replied to him in 3 points. I have replied in 3 points. That is, one point is that, and I have told him about Lucknow. I have chosen that city is Lucknow. Why city? I have chosen Lucknow because there are so many points to explain him. So that is why I have chosen Lucknow, and I have told about some beautiful points in about Lucknow. That points I am sharing with you right now. So I I have first point I have shared him about Lucknow. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. It is situated nearby Gomti River, and it this city known as Nawabon ka Shahar. So people known as Nawabon ka Shahar. This point is more important about Lucknow city. If someone asked you about if someone asked you any city, then first you have to told about some important points of that city. So on that point I have shared him, and I have also called him. I have also told him told him that point is that uh, in the people calls called people known as Nawabon ka Shahar, Lucknow city, because there people lives who people lives in Lucknow. They are very manners. They have very good manners and behavior. That's why people calls Lucknow city as Nawabon ka Shahar. So I have shared this one point. And next I moved on the uh, food. Food point is the food. I have told him about some foods in Lucknow and Lucknow foods, and I have told him about Lucknow as a very famous food is that tunde kebab. Tunde kebab is the best famous in the Lucknow. So I have told him about tunde kebab and similar rumali roti with Simran Jaika, Simran Rumal, Simran Sia Samrali का जायका, and that food is also famous in the Lucknow and as well as India. So I have shared this food, and I also shared one food. If I have also shared some sweets information, just like in the Lucknow there. In the Lucknow is very most famous in the sweet, that is a malai makhan and rabdi kul rabdi rabdi um, rabdi kulfi rabdi kulfi, and that sweets is very famous in the Lucknow. So I have told him about fruits, and next I moved on about his Lucknow places. There are so many most famous places in the Lucknow. That is the first one I want to tell you, Imam Bada, and second one is Bada Imam Bada and Chota Imam Bada. There are that it is best famous in the world, two places, Bada Imam Bada and Chota Imam Bada. So Bada Imam Bada has very beautiful, interesting, Bhul Bhulaiya. That is Bhul Bhulaiya. Because of Bhul Bhulaiya, there are so many foreign comes to visit Lucknow because of Bhul Bhulaiya. And Chota Imam Bada is also famous in the world. So I have shared about some famous places. And now after that I have told about famous these places, and also there are so many places. If I talk about some park, there are for fun, there are so many big parks. That is Ambedkar Park. It is situated nearby Gomti Nagar, Gomti River, and next park is that Janeshwaram Park, Janeshwar Park. That two park is very big in the Lucknow. So I have shared this information to HR about Lucknow, and after that I moved on the economy of Lucknow, economics. And if in the Lucknow there are Lucknow is a very growing city, growing metro city, and the main employment in Lucknow is the government offices and startup, IT companies, startup, and also business, etc. So that is that points I have shared him. And the last point I have shared that about manners and behavior in the Lucknow. If someone wants to live here, there another religion related, who has other religion, that is also live, that person also live in Lucknow, because in the Lucknow's people do not discriminate people by his religion. So there in the Lucknow, there all people lives with together and enjoy every festival with everyone and enjoyful. That is the main point. That points I have shared with the HR, and so and that's all about Lucknow. I have told him, and he said okay. And if you want to know about more questions, if you want to know about interview more questions, just like and follow, and also share this information some students which one has which will be helped by this video. So today's was enough. So let's bye. Good night.